Good morning, student. Now it's a new chapter, relation and function. First thing is relation. What is relation? It is very clear definition. What is relation? A relation is a non-empty set A and non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product. That means is the other that set of all first element of order pair in relation R from set A to set B is called the domain of R, that is relation. Now look here. फर्स्ट थिंग स्टूडेंट रिलेशन को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए जो समझने के लिए कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट का समझना क्या होता है कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट फॉर एग्जांपल एक्सरसाइज 2.1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर third there are two sets are given set G is given there are two elements set H is also three element pi 2 right and find G cross H. This is Cartesian product. That means product of two sets, right? Find the G cross H and find the H cross G. Now here student, G cross H, that means G set the first element are related to other element. That means 7, 5 is the first relation. 7 is related to 5. 7 is related to 4. 7 is related to 2. And then is the second element 8. Then 8 is related to 5, 8 is related to 4 and 8 is related to 2. That is G cross H. But now is the H cross G. Then H ka first element 5, that is the 5, 7, 5, 8. 5 are related to other two elements of G. And then 4 is related to 7, 4 is related to 8. 2 is related to 7 and 2 is related to 8. This is Cartesian product. That means is a G element where there are two elements, the number of G are 2 and number of H 1, 2, 3 element that is 3. So number of G cross H or H cross G that means 2 into 3 that is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 elements, right? Same. Question number first of this exercise. Now there are two order pair. One order pair is equals to another order pair. And one order pair are x by 3 plus 1. X coordinate x by 3 plus 1. And is the y coordinate is y minus 2 by 3. And this is equals to another order pair of 5 upon 3 and 1 by 3. This is order pair. कोई भी स्मॉल ब्रैकेट में a कॉमा b दैट इज x एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट दिस इज ऑर्डर पेयर रिलेशन इसको हम कहते हैं ऑर्डर पेयर नाउ टू ऑर्डर पेयर आर इक्वल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y सो नाउ दैट मींस x कोऑर्डिनेट आर इक्वल टू x कोऑर्डिनेट एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट आर इक्वल टू y कोऑर्डिनेट सो नाउ इट इज वेरी क्लियर x by 3 plus 1 is equals to 5 by 3. X by 3 plus 1 is equals to 5 by 3. And then, so what is the value of x? X by 3 equals to 5 by 3 minus 1. Then x by 3 equals to 5 by 3 minus 1. That is 5 minus 3 is 2 by 3. So 3 to 3 cancels. That is x equals to 2. Same y coordinate y minus 2 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. Then 2 by 3 that side transfer 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 that is y equals to 3 by 3. That is y equals to 1. Then x equals to 2, y equals to 1. This is answer. Set question number second. If a set A has 3 elements and set B is also 3 elements. Now it's given 3 elements 3, 4, 5. And find the number of element in A cross B. You know student, number of element find the number of element of A cross A cross B. So now, first thing, there are 3 elements in set A. That means 3 elements in set A. So now, question number second. number of A's is 3. Set A with 3 elements. And set B, number of B elements. There are 3 elements, 3, 4, 5 is again 3. Now find the number of element in A cross B. That means the formula number of A into number of B. Number of A is 3, number of B is also 3, then 3 is the 9 element. This is answer. Now, question number 4 is the same. State whether each of the following statement are true or false. Find the statement. If the false, then rewrite the given statement correctly. P the element दे रखा है, Q set दे रखा है, and adjacent find P cross Q. So then M, N, M, M, N, 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 N. There are 4 elements, but P cross Q is given M, N, and M. This is wrong. This is false. Same question number 5. Now question number 5 is there are set A is given -1, 1 and find the value of A cross A cross. Now kids, A cross A find करना. First thing now find A cross A, right? So first thing A cross A, that means number of A elements there are 2, that means A cross A is a 4. So now -1, -1, plus. फिर से सेट A का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट 1 के साथ में 1, -1 and 1, 1. There are 2 elements. This is the value of A cross A. But now find A cross A. So now A cross A की value there are 4 elements. And only set A is 2 elements. Now इसका first element पहले सब के साथ में पेयर बनाएगा. So that is the -1 first element के साथ में -1 is -1. This is -1. Right? -1 is again same. -1, -1. Same -1 this, -1, 1, and then -1, 1. Right? And as again is a +1 elements, all के साथ में relation, that is 1, -1. This is again 1, -1. This is again 1, -1. This is again 1. So this is the value of A cross A. Right? Now, same question number 6. A cross B are given. Question number 6. A cross B are given. Where A set find the A and B. Now case अगर A cross B given है तो आपको ये find set A और set B find करना हो उस condition में. This is the question number 6. A cross B is given. A, X first relation. A, Y is another pair. Second, next pair B, X. And third is the B, Y. Now case we will find set A. Right? Set A का मतलब that is the first elements A, B, P. That means set A is A and B. And set B is the second element X, Y. No repetition not allowed. X, Y is the second. Right? And now this is question number 7. Question number 7, set A is given 1, 3. Set B is given 1, 2, 3, 4. Set C is given 5, 6. And set D is given 5, 6, 7, 8. Now look at my first question, find A cross B intersection C. The first thing, what is intersection and what is union? Question, that is A union B, that means all element of A and B, no repetition is not allowed. But A intersection B, that means only common element of A and B. Right? So now this question, find A cross B intersection C. Right? अपन को A cross B intersection B find करना. First thing now B intersection C. That means common element of B and C. B and C means common elements. There are no element common. I B intersection C is 5. या otherwise हम ये कह सकते हैं कि this is empty set, null set, no common. Right? Set B में 1, 2, 3, 4. Set C में is a 5, 6. There are no common. But now is taking left hand side. Find left hand side is given. You find A cross B intersection C. So now A set is given. A set is 1 and 2, and cross B intersection C is a no common element. That means 5. अब इन दोनों का हमें कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट बनाना है, राइट? तो क्या बनेगा? एक से साथ में बी इंटरसेक्शन सी का 1,5 कोई कॉमन एलिमेंट है नहीं, दैट मींस द सेम. कोई 5 के साथ एलिमेंट के साथ में आप क्या सेट बनाओगे? इज ओनली 1 and 2, राइट? सिंस द राइट हैंड साइड इज गिवन A cross B intersection A cross C. You just need A cross B. That is A cross B. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Right? So now 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 2, 4. This is A cross B. Right? But intersection B A cross C. A and C. 1, 5. 1, 6. 1, 5, 1, 6. Right? 2, 5 and 2, 6. Right? This is A intersection C. 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. Right? And now, first thing, right? What is common elements? What is the common elements of this element? Right? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Right? This is no common elements. Any element is common. 1, 5 is not given. 1, 6 is not given. 2, 5 is not given. 2, 6 are not given. That means इसका मतलब they are empty set. 5 एलिमेंट नल सेट. तो यहाँ पर भी सेम कि आप इसका क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करोगे, इसमें एलिमेंट्स है ही नहीं, तो इसके साथ में प्रोडक्शन प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? दैट इज 5. एंड देन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल्स टू राइट हैंड साइड. ये क्लियर लिखा होता, प्रूव देन, सॉरी वेरीफाई करना होता कि वेरीफाई करके बताइए कि दिस एलिमेंट इज करेक्ट और नॉट. सो देन दिस इज द एक्सरसाइज 2.1 एंड वेरीफाई किया हमने कि this is equal. Same question number 8. A set is given 1, 2. B set is 3, right? A cross B, right? And how many subset will have this list? Question number 8. There are two sets. A set is a 1, 2, and B set is 3, 4. And now find A cross B. Is again same, right? 1, 3. 1, 4, first element का other two elements are relation, and 2, 3 and 2, 4. That means there are 4. So how many subset will be A cross B? That means number of A cross B is equals to number of A into number of B. Number of A is 2, number of B is also 2. That is a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 subsets. Right? So student, please solve this exercise. Exercise 2.1 is a very easy exercise, very simple exercise, only Cartesian product, and then Cartesian product is right, sorry, subset find करने थे. So there are 4 elements. This is the number of elements. Now find the subset. Subset की identity क्या होती है? What is the identity of subset? Number of A cross B equals to 2 raised to power n. Where n is a 1, 2, 3, 4 element, n equals to 4. That means 2 raised to power 4, that is 16, is a subset. Correct? So this is set and this is subset. So please students solve this exercise. Thank you.